Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Reddit comment history to remove past comments from your profile, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on the Comments tab to view all comments you have made on Reddit. Step 4. Locate the comment you want to delete and click the three-dot icon or More Options button below the comment. Step 5. Select Delete from the Options menu to remove the comment from Reddit. Step 6. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again when prompted to permanently remove the comment. Step 7. Repeat these steps for each comment you want to delete. Note that Reddit does not offer a built-in bulk delete feature for comments. Step 8. To delete multiple comments more efficiently, consider using third-party tools or browser extensions designed for bulk Reddit comment deletion, such as Reddit Comment Deleter or similar services. Step 9. Be cautious when using third-party tools and ensure they are reputable before granting access to your Reddit account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.